Baroshi katang ilasaki ba menteri rang ba kejela bat kiwe-kiwe menteri kelelet jurep ya gijaka penmi oksigen bat kiwe-kiwe kijingdon kam menekun persya ya kijingpang Covid-19. Hendrai menta kakenti menteri rang ba kejela Conrad kongkal sangma ha kesngi balang jongkatayo ulalet Iakynduh markhamat ikinongpang Covid-19 kibedang don hapo kejing sumar ha Tura Civil Hospital ban keli harlor kilat jing sumar bagi yo naka hospital bat kijing bagi Iakynduh. Kani ka digasian ka nengkong bawa menteri rang ba kejela ni ki menteri sarkar bakin lit Iakynduh ikinong pang Covid-19 kibatia haki hospital hakani kejela. Hagani kesngi menteri rang ba kejela ula syemikilat jingyada kat kumki kendon balabo haga ba ulapong ya ka PPE kumbale kinong sumar banedal din na kejingya bet ikini kejingpang. Menteri rang ba ule Iakynduh ya bunmut kinong pang regat kejing senran jingi doktor bat kinas kibade sumar kini kinong pang. Hadian bula dep jengo ikini kinong pang menteri rang ba ula kubur bakamlong setia kebasuk banpong ya ki PPE kibalashnar ke plastik watang kandiat minit ru namar kejing lohop bat kejing leng a ba namar kata ula kentu kipat ba bakim dai ban kensting ya kini kejing pang. Halor kini kejing syam ula ai kublai ya kinong sumar kibapet kinong pang bat kibalalan la dia ban pentikna bagi kinong pang kin yok biang ya kejing kot jingkhia. Hadian kini kejing Iakynduh menteri rang ba ula syemikilat ban penkhot ya la dia ha kini ke hospital bat keliang ru igijan kinep haswa ban mi na kini ke hospital.
I've just completed the round of the COVID wards and just come out of my PPE kit, and in this 15 minutes, 20 minutes when I was there, I managed to meet most of the patients and give them the assurance that we will do everything we can from our side, and the doctors are doing a lot. They're working very hard, and in this 20 minutes itself you can see how difficult it is, the kind of conditions where the doctors and nurses have to work under, and I did it only for 20 minutes and they do it every day. So it's something that we must all appreciate, and we must realize that we have to take care of ourselves, and if we don't take care of ourselves, then there's more pressure and more risks to the doctors. So therefore, once again I request every citizen that follow the protocols and make sure that you're safe, so that we can be a part of this entire fight against COVID and reduce the stress on the doctors and on the medical fraternity. Thank you.